Jasper Templates Review. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a review on Jasper Templates. What are the different templates we get in order to create high quality content using Jasper? So let's get started. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. You can sign up and check out the templates that I will mention today. So let's get into the video. First of all, just sign into your Jasper, and right here in the menu we get template option. Now Jasper is really famous for its templates. There are more than 50 templates available on Jasper, and we can actually avail them for different purposes. So let me show you the different templates. First of all, we have all the categories here. We have frameworks, email, website, blog, ads, e-commerce, social media, new, Google, video, and SEO. So if you want to quickly go through any of these different templates, so you can just select this and filter your search. I will click on all and actually show you one by one that what kind of templates we have. First of all, we have the document. So this is like the basic document that we can create on Jasper. Moving on, we have paragraph generator that will allow us to generate a captivating paragraph for anything you want to. Then we have AID framework and PES. So this is really good for our business and marketing framework. So if you are a marketer and looking for a platform to generate AIDA frameworks and PES frameworks, then you can use these templates. Moving on, we have content improver and product description. So if you write content and if you have a blog, if you have an article that you run, then you can use these templates such as content improver, product description, blog post topic ideas, blog post outline. Then we have blog post intro paragraph, blog post conclusion paragraph. So these are for blog post and article writers. You can use these 6 templates here. Then we have for creative writing, and we have creative story and explain it to a child. So if you are in this niche where you have to create engaging stories for children, then you can use these templates really easily, and it will rephrase text to make it easier and more understanding to kids. Then we have sentence explainer. This is also for if you're looking to create engaging stories. Then we have for Facebook. So if you run a business on Facebook, if you use Facebook on daily basis, then you can go ahead and use the Facebook ad headline and Facebook ad primary text. So this will allow you to generate a scroll stopping headlines for your Facebook ads, and also you will be able to create a primary text using this template. Then we have few templates for Google. So we have Google Ads headline, Google Ads description, Google My Business, Google My Business event post, and then we have product description and offer post. So these are all for Google, and we can create high converting descriptions and high converting event post details using these templates that are specifically created for Google. Then we have the marketing ideas. This template is a fun template that generates bad marketing ideas that might get you on the front page of the paper. So these are for newspapers and people who are actually looking for different ideas that get you up on the front page. So you can use this one. Then we have Amazon. So for Amazon, we have Amazon product features and Amazon product description. So if you are running a business on Amazon, then these templates are for you. You can actually create your own product feature and bullet points using this template, or write a product description. You don't have to waste any time. Hire someone to do that. You can do that yourself using Jasper within minutes. Then we have some of the basic ones such as perfect headline, subheadline, and we can also generate Instagram captions. So if you think a lot before posting a picture on Instagram and you have to think about the caption, you search on Google, then you don't have to do that anymore. You can just open up Jasper and get the best captions out there and get more likes, of course. Then we have Testimonial Helper on Jasper. So you can use this template to generate testimonies for Jasper, and if it goes well, it actually helps you collect collect more testimonies from different customers. So this is actually pretty good. Then we have marketing angles and bullet points again for marketing and business. Then we have 5 templates for YouTube. So if you are a content creator on YouTube or any video sharing platform, then you can generate video topic ideas, video script outline, video titles, video script hook, and video description. You can use these templates. We have review responder and then different SEO templates for SEO blog post, SEO title and meta description, again SEO product page, SEO service page. So you can actually work on the SEO and help your website or blog land higher using these templates. Similarly, we have company bio, personal bio, feature to benefit and propositions, Pinterest pins, press release, and engaging questions and Quora answers as well. So you can use Jasper for your personal use as well and write your personal bios, generate questions and answers for Quora. We also have poll question and multiple answers and TikTok video captions, text summarizer. So if you want to get a key points for a text, you can just use Jasper for that. Similarly, you can use Jasper for TikTok to generate TikTok captions and get eye-catching and trending captions using Jasper within minutes. And using these templates is really easy. You can just select any of these, and after that you will get a template just like this. Enter your information, click on generate, and you will be able to use the template really easily to generate high quality content in any of these different categories using Jasper. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. You will be able to get a 5-day free trial with the link and also get 10,000 words. Also, watch our other videos on Jasper so that you can learn more. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.